Good morning, Doctor and everyone. Today we are from OCC1, Team 3. We are going to present our topic, Personal Financial Planning System. Firstly, we'll be looking at the first index.html, and then the user who are not yet logged in will not be seeing the service and also the profiles right here, because they have to log in first before them to access any of the services. So firstly, I'll be putting our name first. This is our sign up page. And after we key in all the details right here, select country, the state. Then if our password set it to 1234556, it will not be recognized because we have to be at least 6 characters, 1 uppercase and also 1 special characters. That's like this will be completely fine. Yeah, signed successfully. And this input form is just for us to actually fit our AI models, because one of the features, which is the goal-based planning, is based on AI. So we have to get the user preference and also financial background to actually study about their preferences to further develop our model. Now I will be logged out first to log in again to our account to showcase our login features. Show password. Yep. Okay, right now I'll be passing on to the next person.
Good morning, Doctor. So I will now be walking through our general module. First, our homepage starts with a brief introduction to the web app, followed by an interactive quote section featuring the financial experts. So this model shows the financial quote from the experts and followed by the 4 reasons why financial planning is essential, and it enhances with the hover effects to improve the user interaction. So next we present how our platform aids in the personal financial planning. Yeah, and it followed by an frequently asked section to address the common user queries. So let's navigate to About Us page. So in this section, we describe our mission, our vision, our values, and introduce our development team with the LinkedIn profile hyperlink attached in each member. So finally, in the financial section, in the contact us section, we use the email.js to collect the user feedback or concerns. So user can fill in this form to let us know any question or bug or feedback. And upon submit the form, both the user and our developer team will receive the email confirmation. Yeah, so this is the email we received. So that's all for the general module, and I'll pass to the next person.
So I'm in charge of the AI investment strategy recommendation module. So in this section, we utilize a pre-trained AI model that generates personalized investment strategy based on the input data form. After clicking the suggest matching, the AI model takes user preference field from input form and start analyzing a suitable strategy. This process will take a few seconds, and we hope that our user have the patience to wait for it, but it is actually running through a lot in the background. Once it's ready, we will see the personalized strategy along the risk, duration suggested, and the return rate. And then changing the preference will also affect the outcome. So we strip demo using the database for easy purpose. So for risk tolerance, we change to high. And then the target duration, we change to 5. And then for darker amount, we change to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the employment status, we can change to employed. Okay, and then back to the analyzing part. And then we click the analyzing button again, and our system, the AI will be analyze the reference again, and the result outcome is also different. So in another way, if the user is not satisfied with the result provided by the AI, they can also customize the analysis by filling their own preferred risk and duration. Like example, the risk is low and the duration is 12, and then click submit. Our system will analyze again based on user input. So for the filtering part, user can also sort the strategy page from highest return, lower risk, and shorter duration. That's all from the AI investment strategy recommendation module. Thank you.
Now moving on to the next features, which is ROI calculator. First, we'll be land into the hero animation sections. Then we'll be land into the next part, which is the importance of using our ROI calculator. Now, when we navigate to the section where we have to calculate, we can toggle the slider to change the value right here. And also we could also type it the value as we want. And however, through the tooltips, will be showing us the amount that, the tutorials for each the value is. So right now I'll be toggling the value and press calculating. The result will be showing out with 4 digits, and hovering through the tooltips will also show us the formula, also the calculations. And there's also 4 type of data representations right here. Is the data table, yearly comparison, breakdown chart, and also growth tables. Right here, we have a next section which is comparison investment scenarios. We could compare by interest rate, investment duration, and also contribution amount. By clicking the run comparison button, we could also get the result by hovering through the graph. Now, our last part is the export button, where we can have the result in PDF form. Right here is the reports and also the graph representation in 3 forms. All right, so now I'll be passing on to the next person.
Thank you, Jimmy. I will now present the goal-based planner features. The first thing that appear on this page are some codes, key information, and statistical insight that highlight why this feature is important. Then, user can click on the Start Planning Your Financial feature and then click on the Add New Financial Goal so that the form will be shown. User need to input the details required. After the details are filled, user can click on the Add Goal button. And then the toast message will appear indicating that the goal has been added successfully. Before that, we wait Jimmy to create another goal for managing priority. Next, user can track progress using a progress bar, which update as they add their current saving. The page will refresh show that the progress is updated. If the user saving is added equal or exceed to the target amount, then the goal is achieved and change state to indicate success. Then, user can manage goal priority by clicking up or down arrow button or drag the whole card downwards or upwards. This helps them identify which goal are the most important to achieve first. If user want to change the detail of the goal card, user can go to menu and click on edit button to make their changes. After clicking on the save change, the toast message indicate that the goal had changed successfully. If user want to remove the goal, user can go to the menu and click on the delete button. Then the alert message will come up for double confirmation as the information will be deleted in our database. Moving on to the last part, we also include some financial planning tips and documentary resource below the planner to help guide user through goal settings. That's all for my part. Thank you.
Good morning, Dr. and Jinjie. Next is the Market Insight Dashboard. We have integrated a real-time market API that delivers the latest financial news and stock-related information. Users can explore headlines, authors, and publications directly on the dashboard, and by clicking on a news article, they will be redirected to the original source for in-depth reading. The dashboard also displays real-time stock data including company name, price, change percentage, volume, and more. We also cover ETF and cryptocurrency data. Since it's real time, the dashboard includes an auto refresh feature that updates the content every 30 seconds. A refresh button is also provided so users can fetch the latest information whenever they prefer. To enhance understanding, we have included visual charts such as real-time stock prices, trading volume, market cap distribution, and also performance. Every chart shows additional data on hour. Lastly, we include an economic calendar showing the latest indicators across countries. Thank you. That's all from my part. I will pass to the next person.
Thank you, Jingjie. Good morning, Doctor, and I'm Qian Yu. For session management, if the screen is inactive for 30 minutes, a 10-second countdown will appear asking if the user wants to extend the session. For demo purpose, we shorten the time constraint to 20 seconds. The middleware inactivity tracker tracks activity using the last activity timestamp. If no action is taken during the grace period, the session is destroyed. User can resume the session by clicking the continue before the countdown ends. So after the countdown finish, we'll be directed to the login page and our session is destroyed. So now we have to log in again. So now I'm going to demonstrate about the profile management session. So upon clicking the profile button, we can view the user's profile fetched from the database. We can click the edit button to edit and change the personal detail. So now we change the address and also enter the postcode and also change the profile picture. Then upon clicking save, it is successfully updated inside the database. We will also we also support account deletion if we enter the word not correctly, which is not delete, the button remains disabled, acting as a two-step verification. So once the correct input is provided, a notification confirms that the account has been deleted. So now when we log out and when we want to log in again, the message user not found will be displayed. So that's all from me. Now I'll pass to the next person.
Now I will showcase the forgot password function using the account that was logged out due to inactivity. So when clicking on the forgot password, users are prompted to enter their email address and a verification code will send to their email. And let's check out our email. Yeah, so this is the verification code and we key in the code provided. After verify, the user will be directed to a reset password page and the user need to input a new password with a minimum 6 character, 1 uppercase and 1 special character. Yeah. If is not fulfilled, so the system will prompt the user to change the password again. Yeah, so this indicates that the password has been successfully updated and let's log in again with the new password. Yeah, so we log in successfully with the updated password.
Right now, the last features will be sign with Google's. So right after we press the sign with Google's, we prompted to enter one of the email that we have registered. Then as what the usual, I would say the sign method was, we have to fill up the input form. So for us to actually fit the input to our AI models, regardless of the sign methods. So right here, we could also run any of the features right here. For example, we could also run the AI models once we have the input form filled. All right, so right now we're logging out. Okay, so that's all from our parts and also from the whole presentations. Thank you for attention. That's all from us. Bye-bye.